Accenture, Savantis, Vedantu and much more. And Swist has helped me to empower myself in all the aspects and especially in training and placements and academics as well. And thanks Swist for empowering me.
Good morning guys. I would like to describe how Swist helped me in my building my career. If you want to have a bright future, join Swist, because the things that are needed for IT careers and all the things that IT needs in a employee, so it will be given by Swist. As per my experience, the things that IT requires is coding, enhancement and agility. These things are given by Swist as a fundamental basic, and we have to develop career by the placements, right? So Swist is trying to give the placements as much they can. And I thank
Naseem Taj. I recently completed my bachelor's in Sri Venkateswara Institute of Science and Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I have got selected for Infosys and Savantis because of the training provided by Swist management and the efforts by our Swist training and placement cell. Faculty members are very much supportive in all the aspects like academics, training and placements. I'm grateful to Swist for helping me to grab first ever opportunity of my career. Thank you Swist.
I am Varalakshmi. I completed my graduation at Student Institute of Science and Technology in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Presently I am in Bangalore and I am taking training at QSpiders, and I am incubation student here, means I have training free of cost, and I got placed in Infosys and HCL, and the college provided me on-campus placements like HCL and QSpiders is training institute, but they gave a chance to take free of training, and they provided training for us for clearing IT-based companies like Wipro, Infosys, TCS, and I have appeared for Infosys and Wipro, but unfortunately I didn't clear Wipro, but that training was very useful for me to clear the Infosys, and I have cleared Infosys both HR round, written test, but my joining date is December 13th. That's why I came to Bangalore for training. And if I speak about academics, those are very nice. The faculty treat us like kids and they teach us each and every concept very clearly, and I'm feeling very happy to be a part of Swist family. Thank you.
Hi guys, myself Nirbhay Singh. I am a 2021 pass out student of Swist, and I would like to share my experience in Swist. First of all, I would like to share my academic experience. In academic, Swist has best professor I ever seen. They taught subject with real-time examples so that the concept will clear at a time. Basically, I am from EEE department. In our department, now I would like to say about training and placement wing of Swist. In training and placement wings of Swist, our training and companies placement, which is the first one is Swantis and the second one is KIML. This company I got placed by pool campus interview in Sanskriti School of Engineering, Puttaparthi, and the third one is QSpider. Basically, I am very enthusiastic about IT jobs, and I have interested in IT jobs, so I go to choose QSpider, and now I am under training in QSpider, and soon I will get placed in IT companies. And finally, I would like to thank few people in Swist for being my life better.